Good evening, Indrajit.
Yeah, good evening.
How are you?
I am well, and you?
I'm good. I'm really good.
Great.
Never better than this, actually.
Okay, great. And it is the first time to meet you.
Yeah, yeah. This is our first interaction. Great.
Yes.
So, how is your day going? And how is your life going?
Yeah, life is going slowly and swimmingly.
Swimmingly?
Yeah. And because my exams are over now, so I am free and I
Mhm.
can attend anything. I can I can explore myself right now.
Okay. So, how would you like to explore yourself?
Yeah, because here is unlock is going on, so I can go out, but with proper rules, following proper rules of
Mhm.
COVID, and now I can get freedom to go out because my exams are over. So I am so excited.
Finally, you can reward yourself. Huh?
Yes, exactly. After a long time, maybe.
Mhm. So, are you done with your graduation now?
No, I am in third year. I just completed my third year. Now
Okay.
I uh, unofficially I enter fourth year, but results.
Have not been declared yet.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. So, tell me something of your interest, like what interests you the most in your life?
Interesting thing. I like to travel after my graduation. If I am
Okay.
capable to go abroad, then I will definitely go. And or if I get a chance to get a job from abroad, then that will be a great opportunity for me.
Oh, job abroad, huh?
And on the other hand, I run a YouTube channel and I want to expand my channel to reach out wider audience. That's my motto right now.
Motto, huh? So, what strategies would you apply to expand your channel? Just curiosity.
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, what it is about, learning English and educational channel. So whatever I learned, I just share my on my
Mm-hmm.
YouTube channel, and whatever I am facing right now to learn this foreign language. So I so that I many people cannot afford such platforms, so it can be helpful for them also.
Yes, that's a very good idea. Your intention is really nice behind it.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you.
Yes. So, do you want to discuss the session document or do you want to discuss anything you want?
Yeah, anything. What do you want? So we can
Okay, it's
discuss.
my choice.
Yeah, sure.
I thought I gave you the option to choose, but since it's my choice, what I'm going to do is we'll discuss the session document first, and
Yeah,
then we
sure.
can continue with your likes and
Exactly.
dislikes, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so as it says, as the session document says, it's about brands. So, what's your favorite brand?
Uh, Actually,
In
I'm
Okay, let me just specify. There are a lot of brands with respect to all kinds of niches.
yeah, but which niches do you want to discuss?
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Let me
Okay,
specify
sure.
the niche then. When it comes to soft drinks, what's your favorite
Oh,
brand?
soft drinks. Actually, I do not really want to drink soft drinks,
You
but
don't like?
no, exactly not. Occasionally, how it is 1%. Occasionally, in the percentage of occasion, it will be 1%. I
Oh,
like.
that too is a
Uh,
less percentage.
yeah, exactly. So I hardly drink Sprite.
Mm-hmm.
Hardly drink
Okay,
after overeating sometimes, but it is
okay.
occasionally.
And what idea would you like to convey by not consuming soft drinks?
Yeah, actually there are a lot of doctors and there are a lot of facts I heard and I watched on social media that stop drinking junk soft drinks, junk foods. So that's why I always avoid these things. So it is really helpful for our health.
Yes, absolutely. It's actually carboxylic acid,
Yeah,
basically an
exactly.
acid that we are consuming
Hmm,
ourselves.
exactly.
So
As it.
that's very important. That awakening is very important because I come across people who joyously consume soft drinks, especially my
Yeah.
friends.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
And you know what? I'll give you this fun fact. Like in the US, you get as much amount of soft drinks refill when you go to a restaurant.
Oh, really? Oh, great.
Yeah, you
So it
consume
is
one.
really.
Like if you order a burger, you order it, you consume it,
Hmm.
and you can refill the glass. You pay once for the glass, and then you can refill as many number of
Oh
times
my
as you want.
God. Oh, this is really interesting fact that you shared.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's
Oh wow.
amazing. That's why,
Have you?
obese
Okay.
population is growing. Like
Hmm.
major fact.
Okay. So have you been to USA or any abroad country?
I have been to the US once,
Okay. Wow.
fortunately.
Wow. Great. You are so fortunate. That means.
Yeah, but it took a lot of hard work to get there. Actually,
Okay.
I went there for a competition, so that's
Okay. Wow.
how I got the opportunity.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah. And coming to brands again, so if it
Yeah.
comes to clothing, what kind of brands do you prefer and why?
Uh, Actually, I am not a so branded person. I am unbranded person, but branded things are more durable, I will say. So that's why are the people are tend to choose these brands and that brand to avoid the hamper of
Avoid the
the bad
yeah
clothes.
hassle.
Yeah,
Yeah,
harass. Yeah, exactly.
hassle. It's hassle.
Hassle.
Like
Okay, HASSLE.
yes, absolutely yes.
Okay, okay, yeah, hassle. And so that's why I want to choose um, a good brand maybe.
Yeah, something which is affordable and something which is
Yeah,
durable as well.
obviously I will say that durable for such as helmet. I will buy a hard helmet to
Hmm.
protect my head. So it may be sometimes costly, but for one time investment I can save my head also. So that's why I I will always choose for durability.
Hmm.
So
You could say I would always choose durability over
yeah,
anything. Or
oh,
choose for.
choose
Okay.
durability. So that's why I do not care the money, but money is factor always is a matter.
Mm, especially, there is this stigma around Indians. How
Hmm.
I cannot spend my money like this
Exactly.
extravagantly on things,
Hmm.
right? That is why it's so much relatable. Like there is this phrase in the document, cost an arm and a leg. When something's really costly, we say it
Okay.
costs an arm and a leg.
Okay. Arman, it is a phrase, right?
Yeah, cost
Oh,
an arm and a leg. That's a phrase.
oh.
Like iPhones would cost me an arm and a leg,
Okay. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
right? Okay. So when it comes to brands and whenever you go shopping, what things do you keep in mind while buying?
Uh, Whenever I go for shopping, I always tend to see the product, the and also the how durable it is, and obviously cost. But if it suits for me, if looks well for me, then I will buy it.
Mm-hmm.
But I do
Right.
not exceed my
Budget.
uh, I do not extend my expense. What is the called
Budget.
budget? Yeah, budget. According to my budget, I want to buy something that is best for me.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So if I give you a choice of, suppose you have a limited budget and you're given a choice to shop at a mall, which gives you durable material, and at a local market, which also gives you a durable material. So which one would you choose then?
Uh, so I will go for the local market or street market, so that actually it my small investment to them, it will really help. And also to, because there are a lot of people are willing to go to the shopping malls, so I will really help them for the street shops if the products are really good and durable.
Right. You have some really nice and benevolent ideas. I see.
Yeah, actually I see that there are a lot of people who are uh, sophisticated to and tend to choose the big things, but if I get such things in my local market, then why I can't go?
Right. Absolutely right. So Indrajit, now comes your feedback.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So what I came across was you have been improving, I observe. And what I see is that with respect to your tenses, it's fine. With respect to tenses, it's fine. But sometimes, the sentence formations goes here and there. Like sometimes, like job from abroad. I would like to do my job from abroad. Instead of
Okay.
saying this, you can say, I would look for a job abroad. I would like to
Oh,
go abroad. Okay.
okay, yeah, sure.
Okay. And if anything suits for me, I would look for something which suits for me.
Hmm.
Like in the market scenario, if you buy something, I would look for something which suits me.
Okay, not for, right?
It should
Oh.
suit me. Like the short, for example, I'd say
The short shoots me. Okay.
suits me. The
Oh,
shorts suits me.
okay.
Okay. And there was this pronunciation. I'll just write in the chat box. So
Oh,
keep a check on this. Can you see it?
okay. And may I pronounce that word?
Yeah,
Learned.
yeah. Learned.
Learned, right?
Learned. Yeah, learned.
Okay. And what is the mistake in my pronunciation?
Back then, I heard as learned, something like this. I heard.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's why I felt like correcting it. Okay.
Okay.
And yeah, the other thing I observed was some mispronunciation with people. The people,
Okay. People. Okay.
people, like
Yes, yes.
comes together. People. That's it.
Oh,
Okay.
people.
Yeah, that's great.
Okay. Okay. Actually, I know the pronunciation, but sometimes with flow, I can't spell. I can't not
Yeah, it'll come with.
utter this
Yeah,
word
I
properly.
get it. Hmm. It'll come with practice,
Okay,
I
I
think.
will. Yes. I will definitely practice. And it is really great to meet you. Thank you very much.
It
And
was great talking to you.
hope to see you soon again, thousand times.